Now we'll get a chance to see what this case looks like on the blue version and the black version. Now let's move these to the side for a second and check out this case. So this case is interesting because it provides a lot of protection as well as being semi see-through. Now it's not that expensive, which is a good thing, and it provides decent amount of protection. So this is a really good option for anybody looking to buy an inexpensive protective case. Now, on first look, let's take a step back. The material, it is TPU around the edges. TPU here, TPU here. And on the back, you have a polycarbonate, not that flexible, but it is semi-flexible. These sides, the TPU is more flexible. It's easy to get your phone in and out of this case for the camera, and we'll put both in. As you can see, it is lifted quite a bit, and we'll see if it wobbles too if you lay it on its back. Nice camera protection, but microphones at the bottom. You have a nice big cutout for the USB Type-C plug, and then you have the speaker cutout down here. Around the sides, you have a lanyard insert. Here you have your power, volume down, volume up. I actually like this case. Up top, got all the cutouts for the microphones and the IR blaster. The last and final cutout is there for your alert slider. So that we'll test that out, see if that's easy to operate with this case on it. Now, before we get to the inside of the case, look at this. So if you can tell right here and right here on the left side and right side, here is the side of the device, and then it actually add extra material. You can tell right here and right here. I stopped the video for a second. Now I'm recording this in video boost mode on the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Now let's look at the cutouts here. They look, actually, is that in all the way? It does look a little bit misaligned, although it's not blocking the speaker. It's not entirely a perfect, you can tell there's more room. What is it, the backside? There's more room up top. I guess this would be, if you're holding it, looking at yourself, there's a little more room down here than up top, but it's definitely not blocking it, but it's not 100% centered. It's probably off just a teeny tiny bit, but no big deal. You can still easily get your charger to plug in, and then the microphones on the bottom are not blocked as well. Nice and clear. Up top, you have, let's see if I can focus in on here. You have nice cutouts there, and none of those are blocked as well. IR blaster or the microphones up top. This should record really good audio. I'm going to do audio testing on this phone later, but let's look at the camera cutout. Excuse me, the microphone cutout up here. Nice and precise. It does not lift up on the factory installed screen protector whatsoever. And these buttons, let's test those. Any clickies? Subtle clicking noise. Now let's check out the lots of camera protection. So this phone has a huge camera bump on the back. Pretty pronounced, like it sits quite a bit up off of the device. It does not wobble. I mean, it's basically no wobble when you type on it laying down. Now let's try this. No wobble. Maybe this just ever so slightly, but it's not like the iPhone. The iPhone is horrible with wobble. This one, you get a no wobble and tons of camera protection. I mean, that is a huge lip. Big rise up over the camera sensor, that camera island over there. So you definitely are not going to have to worry about getting that scratched if you lay the phone on its back on any surface. Let's see how much lift it provides up and over the screen. Now, there's no glass screen protector. As you can tell, I have you can see where the camera sensor is on the front selfie camera on this OnePlus 13. Just had the factory installed screen protector. And it just more than barely, it does come up and over 360 degrees of that display, as you can tell right there. Let's see, what about this alert slider? So it does have a cutout. It is it does have a decent cutout. They cut out a lot of the material there, so it's easy to switch that. Let's give it a try. So it's in silent mode. That's vibrate. That's ring. That's vibrate. That's silence. Ring. Silent. Ring. Silent. Yeah, so not a issue there. Easily change it. You can use your finger. You can use your thumb. No big deal. But very nice. Now let's try the black one here and see what this looks like. Goes on and off very easily. So yeah, you can tell there is a slight color variation. Again, this back is a frosted back, so you're not going to let the full color come through, even if you had the white OnePlus 13, because they have a blue, a black, and then a white model. Even if you had the white model, it would just barely come through. But what looks cool here is the camera island on this OnePlus 13 is all black. So it kind of looks cool with the all black phone. And with the blue one, it has a not necessarily a white. I know it does look white in some pictures, but it's basically a light silver color. Definitely not white. It's like a frosted silver color, but does look cool in here. Again, you can see the cutouts there. Nice and easy changing of the... That's not an issue. So overall, this is a really, really, really good buy. I think it was less than $10. So I definitely... Now, this is good for indoor usage, taking to the gym, taking to the office, and outdoor usage, meaning if you work construction or you go into a theme park like Six Flags, perfect case for that. A lot of protection and easy button pushes. I'm not going to have any troubles with that. The alert slider is easy to fix, easy to change, and you got plenty of protection around that camera. My goodness, what a lot of that. That's a lot of protection. So I would definitely recommend this if you have the OnePlus 13. Definitely pick this case up. I think it's perfect for any situation, whether you're going to be using it at home or you're going to be using it in the office or going to the gym or whatever. I think this is an absolute perfect case for one to use. And on this blue one, it looks like the OnePlus logo and the Hasselblad logo actually show pretty well, because on here the logos are black and black, but on the blue OnePlus 13 and the white OnePlus 13, the emblems, the logos are silver, so it comes through a little more on this. But that'll do it for the video. If you got any questions whatsoever, I'm going to put just let me know, hit me up in the comments. I'm going to put a link for this case, this very case, in the description box below. So below this video, simply click on the title of this video. It'll take you to the description box below, and then you can once again press on the description box to expand the description box, and I'll have a link for this for Amazon. So really good case. I actually really like it. So we're gonna have a lot more. I ordered a lot of cases for this phone, for the OnePlus 13. So if you have a OnePlus 13, make sure you subscribe to our eSIM Studios YouTube channel. Not only are we gonna have a ton of case reviews coming up soon, we're going to have reviews on this phone, on the sensors. We're going to do comparisons. I have all the flagship phones. So I'll do OnePlus 13 versus iPhone 16 Pro Max, or OnePlus 13 versus Pixel 9 Pro XL, OnePlus 13 versus the upcoming S23 Ultra. All those videos and more here on eSIM Studios. So appreciate the time. Hope you enjoyed it. If you got any questions, again, give me a holler in the comments. I check them daily, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.